Hey folks, it's Turtle Tracks, Catherine's Tracks, day 86. And I've got some folks helping me find her today, and here they are. What's your name?
Nate.
Okay.
Noah.
Noah.
Elena.
Elena.
Daniel.
Daniel.
Anna.
Anna.
Chloe.
Kelly.
Chloe.
Chloe. Hey Chloe.
And Hayden.
And Hayden.
Chris.
Chris.
Mia.
Mia. All right guys, let's go find the turtle. Off we go. No beeps yet? No, you'll find them, I'm sure.
Back up. Stay back here.
Hold it nice and flat. Is it heavy? Chloe, you need to stay close.
Look over this hand.
There you go.
And Chloe, you need to stay close.
You hear that? We got a little beat.
Got a beep. Good. Okay, what?
Back and forth and see if you can find where it's strongest. Yeah. Is there anything over here?
Right there, it's that way, it's that way.
Can you back up a little bit?
It's strongest that way. It beat? It's like right here. It's right on here. It's like right here. It's like right about here. Check
Okay.
that way, check right there. I think it might be over there. Is it strong that way? Daddy will help you, okay? Can we do it twice?
You have to hold it? Alright, you want to give it a try? Okay, point it over here. Listen for the beeping.
I think it's a little bit strong.
Turn it slowly towards mommy. It's still here a little bit.
Yeah, I think straighter.
Still pretty faint. Walk a little bit, Chloe. Try and pick it up nice and flat. There you go. Good job. Point it right down the road. There you go. Watch out.
Guys, try going that way. Try going over there. I think it's a little bit stronger now. Turn it. It's stronger that way.
Really?
It's stronger that way.
I think it's stronger this way.
Okay, go towards it.
Guys, it's stronger this way. Guys, it's stronger this way.
Yeah, down the road.
Sure. Or actually, I think it's his turn.
Guys, check in the bushes. Guys, check on the bushes. Check in the bushes. I heard a beep.
Yeah. You've heard of the beep for a long time.
It's stronger here.
Is it?
Okay.
Okay, well,
Why
walk
don't we
towards
go
it.
check in the bushes?
Yeah, I think you're right.
Guys, definitely stronger than it was at first. Yeah, it's way stronger. It's been beeping for a while in the bushes. Is it beeping? Guys, try. Guys, point it out the bush.
No, she lives out in the trading, and she can go wherever she wants to go. Oh, really? Yeah, she's a real turtle.
How loud was the beep over here?
Like here still. We're gonna find the turtle.
Is it really loud over here?
Also, not the one.
No, I heard of one over there.
No, that was just to show us what the radio looks like.
It's everywhere.
It's over here.
There's no beeping.
No beep?
It's still beeping.
Very faint?
It's not that. It's pretty strong.
Is it? Is it getting louder?
No, I am. I'm not. Yeah.
It is? Okay. Look where you're pointing. Hey guys, look where you're pointing. Down into a blackberry patch and a bunch of tall grass. Why do you think she might want to be in that blackberry patch?
To eat them.
To eat them? You're right. I have to go get her because it's really thick back in here. You guys just hang out here. When I find her, I'm going to let you come and look at her if she's in a place where we can get you to. Okay? Now, here we go.
Yeah, he's got a gun. Guys, there's some big thorns here.
Found her.
Okay, good.
Okay, come on down and take a look.
He said to go through the fence, right? Okay.
Yeah, we can't touch her, but come right around here. Stand right here. You can see her? She's right straight down there.
Don't get any closer. Here, Daddy.
Everybody point at her.
I think I saw a pincher beetle.
A what?
I think I saw a pincher beetle.
Cool. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Got it. And actually, she has not moved much from the last day we found her. She was just right over there. Probably moved about 20 feet. And that's because she stays in this area pretty much most of the summer. Because there's what she needs to exist and live is right here in this area. All her habitat requirements. What would she need to live? Anybody know? Food. So
And
she's
also
gonna,
the ground's very moisture, so you can drink.
the ground is moist, so when it
And
rains,
like cool areas.
cool areas. Well, she does also like to get in the sun occasionally.
Which would be like right up there.
She's only moved about 25 feet from her last location, and now she's saying, "Oh, these people found me again."
She's camera shy.
She is. People found me again. How do they keep finding me?
And we'll put it in the jukebox.